Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this short video, I'm gonna share with you how you can start earning $300 to $500 payments from local business owners. All right, now listen, before I jump into it, I just want to let you know this is very simple, right? Most likely, I'm sure you can do this, and you can actually start it today after you watch this video if you want to. All right, this is a super cool side hustle that you can get started now. All right, so this is all you need to do. All right, you're going to reach out to local businesses in your area and you're going to offer the service of creating YouTube channels for them, right? It's that simple. Right? Why? Because video is getting more and more relevant in every aspect of business. Whether you're an online business or offline business, video is becoming more and more top priority, and people are willing to pay to get these videos done. Now, YouTube, obviously you watching YouTube, but the YouTube platform is steady growing, right? It's getting more and more opportunities. Yes, it's always some sort of change in the algorithm or how you supposed to do this or that, but that's part of the game. We as marketers, money makers, we got to just stay up to date with these things and constantly be able to, upgrade and update our own knowledge on this stuff, right? Which makes our services that much more valuable. All right. So all you need to do to get started is very, very simple. First and foremost, figure out exactly what you want to offer with your YouTube channel creation packages. What I mean is you can have, say for example, you can offer just a basic, hey, I'll build a custom YouTube channel for your business. Just say it's a restaurant, right? Okay, I'll build now say it's a spa, right? I'll build a custom YouTube channel, right? And that includes, your channel, your art design, your cover art. It'll give you all the descriptions. You'll make sure it's optimized with the description, keywords, everything, right? You could do a base of that, and just say you offer that for $100, right? You'll set up the Gmail account, everything. You just set it up, right? No video, right? You just setting up, right? $100. Just get them all ready to go to upload. But I think something better to do is offer the YouTube channel, right? And you're willing to offer their first video included with the channel creation, which is way better than just doing the basic channel, right? So this is where you can sit there and say, hey, I'm going to build you your own channel all about your business. I'm going to have the custom, cover art, thumbnail, not thumbnail thing, but the, the banner, YouTube banner, all that. You're going to customize that. You're going to do their first video that can go on their home page. It's going to be like the default video, the introduction video, right? You offer that. You're going to edit it for them if they, need to edit it. And you're going to create the thumbnail for them. So you're creating one YouTube channel with one video, right? You can offer that service $300 right there, right? Because now, they're really feeling like they're getting a lot because they're getting that YouTube presence, they're getting an online presence, they're getting a video done for them that they can actually use in multiple places, right? So you can literally offer $300 for a YouTube package, including the intro video. All right. Now you could even take it a step further and say, okay, well, this is our, intro package, right? Or you can get for $3.99. I can do your channel and we'll do your first 4 videos, right? And the cool thing about this is you could even help them come up with titles. Because remember, you the YouTube expert, right? This is what you do. This is how you get down, right? So now you can let them know, hey, we'll do your first 4 videos for you. We'll edit them up. We'll do the thumbnails for you, everything, right? $3.99. Now keep in mind that these videos, because they're for local businesses, these don't got to be long videos. They literally could be testimonial videos that you shoot for them, or they could just be straight promo videos talking about their new service or different services. Keep in mind, guys, these videos could be 3 to 5 minutes long. All right. So to us, if you're a YouTuber, you used to shooting YouTube, this is nothing for you. This is like, psh, but it's a big task for business owners. This stuff that they feel like they don't got time to do, or they feel like they don't know how to do. Or if there's another service out there, they cost way more. They charge way more than what you're going to charge. Plus, you're local, right? So now you're easy to get. You're easily you can get connected with very easily. You can communicate very easily, with your clients, right? So you can offer these different packages, and then if you want, you can have a supreme package and say, hey, for $500, I'll do 8 videos for you. Keep in mind, these are short videos, right? $500 gets you 8 videos, the channel created, boom. You don't need me no more. You got 8 videos on your channel, whatever, right? These are super good offers, right? This is a super dope service because it's easy to offer the service. Because you literally, all you gotta do is do whatever niche you want to be in, right? You do a Google search or find these businesses on Facebook and just see if they got a YouTube channel. That's it. That's it. See if they got a YouTube channel. You can message these businesses via email, Facebook, Instagram, whatever they got. Just ask them, hey, great business, blah, blah, blah. I see that you don't have a YouTube channel, and then you just drop a little sentence. YouTube is one of the most effective marketing tools out today. It's constantly growing, blah, 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 blah. I have a service where I can build you your own YouTube channel. That's it. Would you be interested? Question mark. That's it. That's it. Right? And you're going to get replies to businesses who do not have a YouTube channel. Somebody's going to respond to you and start asking you questions. And that's when you can really drop that knowledge on them, that YouTube knowledge. Let them know how powerful YouTube is and how it could be and how they can monetize it and earn back end revenue, all of that stuff, right? And there you go. You got a nice side hustle business that can turn into a full-time business, right? Because keep in mind, one, you can just play with the prices. Whatever you want to do depends on where you're located. You might charge $1,000 for a YouTube channel. You might charge $200 to get a business started. Whatever, right? You can play with the numbers, right? But a bigger thing that can come from this is more business. You might get into a routine where they might just start paying you to do a video every month. Or, they might pay you to create 2 videos a month for them. Now you got a business. Now you can even hire other people to help you do the video editing and shooting and thumbnails. And it could just turn into a huge operation, right? But for now, if you want to go out there and start making some money today, start doing that now. First thing you need to do is create your little package. Whatever you got, 1 or 2, 3 packages that you're going to offer. Once you figure that out, start messaging businesses who don't have a YouTube channel yet. It's that simple. All right. Now, if you want to see another way that you can start generating a passive income online, watch this video right here.